All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a look at Neo. It has been a long time since we looked at Neo here on the channel, and ultimately, we're just going to keep it kind of simple here. Looking at Neo on the weekly chart here, we're just going to go from this high here back in March of 2022, draw us a Fibonacci, and you can see the price of Neo from the high to the low has been smacking right into this zero point 0.5 price area here. Now for a second or third time, you could call it. So that is pretty heavy resistance here at the 1330 level for Neo here. So until you get over that zero point 0.5 at 1330, there is no momentum up because you just keep getting stuck. You're kind of just going sideways. We could potentially draw a very large channel here and say that if you're going to come back down, you're probably going to end up coming back down to the middle of it and potentially lower back down to the bottom of it. So simply on the macro scale, watch 1330. You need to break up 13 and then ultimately your 618 at 16. Over $16 on Neo, then she's going to go to the moon at that point. To get bullish momentum going, you need to get over this $13.50 range here. So with that said, we're just going to simply go back down to the daily chart off of this nice run it's been having and just simply give you guys some prices to watch to see if this thing is going to remain bullish, which you can see we do have bullish crosses on the 21 over all of them, the 50 over the 200, and it looks like that orange there, the 100-day EMA, wants to cross over the 200. So that would be a very bullish cross here. So we'll just see. After this move down from the high to the, or from the low to the high rather, you're sitting right here perfectly on the 382 support at 12. The stock RSI is back down here at the bottom, so if this thing starts to curl back up, that could indicate that you're going to hold support here and bounce back to the upside here. But ultimately, like we said, on the macro scale, you need to get over this 1330 level and then ultimately that other price that we discussed here. But right now, short term, you're above the 200-day EMA, so you are technically in an uptrend here that has just started from this move to this move. And as long as you hold the 382, you're bullish here. If you fall any lower than the 382, then I would say that confirms your top is in. You're going to fall down to the zero point 0.5 at 11 for about a 9% drop. And then you have your 618 retracement here. An ultimate price to hold at about $10 for about a 17-18% drop. You could technically come all the way down to that 618 and still be bullish for a push higher, or sideways and then a push higher, of course, at some point. But that's your ultimate price to beat. But if you want to stay bullish, you got to hold on to the 382 at $12 here. You need to hold 12 on Neo, and you need to break over 13 to get that bullish momentum going in the right direction here. So with that said, not financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next update. Peace out.